Hey guys, Luke C here with TFBTV Showtime. Welcome back to GunCon 2025 here in Cleveland, Ohio. I am here with Ian with Stuff and Things Inc., or as I like to call them, the Big STinc. Guys, you guys have been consistently making some of the most interesting products at GunCon every year, and this year you've got something new.
Yeah, certainly appreciate that. So this year, one of the main products we're repping, which has been our biggest seller lately, is what we call our ST-50 kit, and it's for the KelTec P50. And basically what it does is it converts the way your P50 comes from the factory with this giant hinging thing that makes the reload a little bit ridiculous.
Right.
So our kit gets rid of that and replaces it with this fire control group that uses all standard AR internals, AR triggers, any ALG or Geisley trigger you can fit in here.
Basically just a regular standard AR-15.
Correct. So any parts, and everybody's going to ask, does it take FRTs? It will in the future. We're working on a bolt trip kit. We just want to make sure it works, what it works with, what it doesn't work with, because the bolt is a little different. So anyway, it just turns it into this setup that makes mag changes super easy. Mags slap up in, they drop free. To my knowledge, it's the only gun that uses P90 mags where the mags can drop free. So just a great little package. I think it's like a great high value target protection gun. You could use it for a competition gun because you're carrying 50 rounds.
Yeah.
You're never going to have to reload. And even if you do, the reload is now very fast. And the upper from KelTec is your serialized part.
Right.
So our fire control group can come straight to your door.
So I can buy it and just have it shipped to my house. So once I have the P50,
Yep.
I can just buy your kit, put it together at home, and it's good to go.
Absolutely, and it's very easy to install. It replaces the rear pin that thing hinges and hooks onto. So you take that pin out, 2 screws through each side to lock our kit into it, and you're pretty much done. It's a very simple install.
Yeah, and you guys are great at this. I've mentioned it to a lot of you guys before. Your fast prototyping work is amazing. The STIZON, I think in total, it took you guys it was 6 or 7 months or something like that from concept to a functioning prototype. How long did this one take you guys?
I almost don't even want to say it because people are going to be like, oh, why are you charging this? So we didn't have this at SHOT Show, and somebody asked me, why wasn't this at SHOT Show? And I was like, because we didn't even have the idea then. So about a week after we got back from SHOT Show, I was like, oh, we have this P50 sitting around. Let's see if we can make it better. And from start to working prototype, it was maybe a week of development to get it to where we could fire one, and then maybe another week of just tweaking, getting things a little switched around and more correct. So maybe 2 weeks start to finish.
Yeah. Would you say it's safe to say that you guys spend more time tinkering with guns than actually developing them? Because it seems like you guys have to do a lot of trial and error just to work out all the kinks.
Absolutely, and we have, new prototype parts come off our printers every morning. We come in, we take them off the printer, we test them. Oh, this doesn't work. This needs adjusted 20, 30 thousandths, whatever. This pin's a little loose. So every single morning we come in and there's prototype parts coming off our printers. So
yeah. And so let's say I go out and buy P50. That's going to cost me what, $600, $750, I think.
Around $600-700. Yeah.
Yeah. The kit from you guys for the conversion.
Yes.
How much is that going to cost, and what does it exactly come with?
Okay, so if you buy the full kit, you want it ready to go out of the box, I don't have to do anything other than install it on the gun, which comes with your AR internals. It comes with this flat blade trigger now. We got a good AR parts supplier that is giving us these flat blade triggers. Comes with a AR grip that is KelTec styled, has the waffle pattern on, not this grip. And then comes with your charging handle, and the full kit, fully kitted out, is $205. And then if you want to buy it stripped and you want to put your own AR components in it because you have a Geisley and you have your Kung Fu grip or whatever you want to put on it, that's about $150, I believe it is, stripped.
Now, is it? I guess it's on the end user, but are you guys selling it as a pistol kit, or is it sold as a rifle kit or a carbine conversion kit?
We don't sell any stock on it at all. It's finished off with pick rail.
Just the pick rail? Okay, just to avoid the...
Yep. If you want to put a brace on it or a stock, you want to SBR, or you have the R50, which is the rifle version, it also fits on that. So if you want to go with either of those, it works. But we don't provide the stock, so we'll still keep working on accessories for them. I want a better way to kind of center the front of the mag, if there was some kind of funnel you could come into.
Like a guide or something?
Yeah, a guide, so it wasn't... obviously, you saw we're working on a mag clip to clip 2 mags together, so you can carry 100 rounds with you on the gun at all times. So we'll keep making accessories like that for this.
Yeah, so you guys, it's almost like you're thinking well ahead of where you are already? Because like, is the ST-50 out for purchase right now?
Oh yeah, we've sold a ton of them.
Okay, so like you can buy it today, and it's out now. It's like what you said, 250?
205.
205. So really, it's only $205.
Yep, 205 complete and 150 stripped.
That actually might give me a reason to buy P50.
And the one thing I've seen online is people saying like, oh, there's that mag's only held in by a tiny little bit by the mag catch. But I challenged so many people at the range yesterday. I said, pull on it as hard as you can. You cannot get that mag out of there once it's in there. And we actually just got these aluminum catches. We were shipping them with polymer catches, so we have aluminum catches now. If you want to call us up and get one of those for your P50, just a little more strength for the build.
Yeah.
So.
Well,
so we
have our wraps.
Well, we have our Gepard going on right now. We're working on another project. I don't know how much I want to say about it just yet, but it's going to be...
The Gepard needs a little bit of work, you said, still, right?
The Gepard's about ready to come out.
About ready to come out?
July, we'll be releasing it.
Okay.
So, yeah,
just around the corner.
Yeah, we have all the receivers and everything in stock. We just kind of have to put them together. There's maybe only 20 pre-orders left on our initial 150 pre-orders. I'm not sure if we'll continue doing those or not, if we'll just do this one run. We haven't really decided yet. But we're already like 3 projects down the line from all of that.
I like the energy.
Yeah. So the next one that people are going to be psyched about, I won't say too much, but it's another historical firearm that is unobtainium. That like one that you can't get is going to be one we're making, and it will be in 300 blackout.
I'm gonna leave the speculation up to the audience. Like leave your comments. Yeah, let Ian know what you think he's hinting at. So, Ian, thank you so much for showing us the new ST-50. It's been a pleasure to talk to you. I'm looking forward to see what you guys come down the road.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and guys, thank you for stopping by to watch TFBTV and TFBTV Showtime. Stay tuned for more from GunCon 2025.